Welcome to Wise Learner AI, where learning meets calm. I'm here to help everyday people, parents, late learners, and curious minds make sense of AI and life, one small step at a time. We will explore how AI is used in everyday life. You might not see AI, but it's quietly helping you every day. When your phone suggests words as you type, that's AI predicting your messages. When YouTube or Amazon recommends something you might like, that's AI learning your habits. When Spotify creates a playlist you enjoy, that's machine learning using your listening history. AI is used in maps, translation apps, spam filters, and even your camera. In healthcare, AI helps detect diseases earlier. In schools, it can personalize how students learn. AI isn't just robot or science fiction, it's quietly working behind the scene. When used wisely, AI makes life easier, not harder. This is Wise Learner AI, calm lessons for curious minds. Subscribe and learn one step at a time.